Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install Disco Elysium, the Final Cut game on PC in Epic Games Launcher. And this game is completely free right now, and the sale will end on December 26, 2025. So what you have to do, open the Epic Games Launcher and then in the search store, search for Disco Elysium Final Cut and then click on this Disco Elysium the Final Cut base game. And then here you will see the get button, and the game is absolutely free and the sales will end on 12/26/2025. So click on this get button. Just wait, your order is loading, and then click on place order. Just wait. Now you will see this view in library option. So click on this view in library button and you will see Disco Elysium the Final Cut game is added to your library. Now click on install button and then again click on install button. Click yes to allow, and now you will see Disco Elysium the Final Cut game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this download icon, and here you can see Disco Elysium the Final Cut game is getting installed on my PC. So by this way you can easily download Disco Elysium the Final Cut game on PC via the Epic Games Launcher for free until 26 December. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.